Welcome back to As It Hot, on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside Obodo the World, Wazobia 1 on top UHF 57. As we take talk earlier before we start, this is now the first program when they come live to you on top of Wazobia 1. We don't already talk and say, tune your television, make you get this channel. If you don't get them, tell your friends themselves so that they're going to watch all of the action when they happen inside television for Wazobia 1, UHF 57. Ezukuchuku, they are not be inside studio, and we discuss As It Hot, as it concern all of the action to the way happen for inside Obodo, Nigeria over the weekend. We don't talk about the one when we say our Oga President go give office to the ministers them this Wednesday, November 11th, and the swearing in of the new Oga them for inside INEC when go happen today for inside State House. We also talk about the result for inside Taraba State when we say the election tribunal come and talk say based on the way when we say Oga Dari Osisha could take emerge as the gubernatorial candidate of the PDP, say K-leg dey inside. Therefore, Madam Aisha Al-Hassan, now she win the election. We also talk about the results when we say CIAPS carry come out about our governors them. When they talk say 5 of these our governors them, they score 35% over 100 based on the parameters of payment of salary, new projects, education, security, and leadership by example. We make our belly sweet with what our flying eagles them do for all far away Chile, because everybody knows say football is something where they bring all of us together as one country. They don't make us proud, don't show say together if all of us join as one people, work as a team, we go achieve plenty great things. We can't top arm up with the one when concern Oga Saraki and our soldier people. Say court don't rule say in trial go continue, making go clear in name for the code of conduct tribunal, and the fact say our soldier people them they do plenty things as it get to do with meeting the deadline of Oga President say by December 31 Boko Haram Jaguda people will go become 18 of the past inside Obodo, Nigeria.
Yes. Make we look into the ministerial issues and the ministerial position and portfolios where Oga President go do it in, go hand over to nominated ministers very soon. That is on Wednesday. We know very well, say yes, we don't see the screening. The screening don't play out. We don't also see the people who don't come out to do it to at least to lead us. And that we will also need to anticipate and to also be very focused on now who will take up what position.
True.
You understand? And because over time we don't see leadership where we say people just find themselves in the wrong position where we say in the end that particular section or that particular portfolio where they hand over to them or that particular ministry where they hand over to them, then they feel carry them effectively, like compared to a person where do it we get the experience right from the roots. You understand? Because that is another thing we also need to look into. But Oga President, remember we will believe in, we will also know say yes. Saying as person where they focus, he don't talk and say he go work with technocrats. He don't also talk and say, look, based on how we see some of the screening for Senate, we see questions were being asked based on that individual's experience.
And in some cases they don't ask questions at all.
Yes, in some cases they just scatter the question. You say?
In some cases, they don't ask questions at all.
We
see the
no.
Alhaji Lai Mohammed.
No. Hold on.
And the bow and go when they tell him go.
No.
We don't see people when we say.
Yes, it don't start you.
Which one be? It don't start
look,
me.
Look. Now,
tell Nigerians the thing will happen for them. No.
Respect yourself.
Are you coming to call out what happened in the House of Senate?
Now new platform just respect.
Oh, so because we get new platform, Wazobia 1, UHF 57, you come and call they lie.
I tell you who don't they lie now.
Why you they lie now?
I don't want to talk about that particular one.
Why you no go talk about that?
You just come
why you no go talk about that? Why you no go talk about that?
What do you mean of all this one?
Why you no go talk about that?
Must I talk about it?
Must you not talk about it?
Why must I talk about it?
Because you must talk about it.
And if I insist not to talk about it,
I will talk about it.
I will not talk about it.
I will talk about it.
I will not talk about it.
I will talk about it.
Not talk about it. I don't
will talk about it.
You could not talk about them.
It hold my mouth now.
We talk about
hold my mouth.
Make Oga President do it.
What about those when they tell me they bow and go? Talk about it.
People will not see them get the experience.
Which experience?
We will not see them get the experience.
Which experience?
When it comes to information matters,
everybody go university. Anybody go university, go learn to be minister. Don't tell me experience. What do you mean by that?
Go sit down.
What do you mean by that?
After university they mention.
Which
maybe
university?
A lot of people don't go, don't read the particular course they read. In the end, the work where they get, now work where related
who
to
you
the
go
study.
blame for that one? If Oga President come and tell us, say, technocrats, professionals, experts, people of impeccable character, now you want to work with.
You will be shocked.
Carry people when be say,
You will be very, very shocked.
Shocked what?
When that particular portfolio where they know Oga like Mohammed for, he go give am.
If I, you know what thing wey even funny sef, I even forget to even tell you say all these governors dem when they park here say they carry last. Now we know where they come from.
Mention the one they carry first. Mention the one they carry first.
Which one carry first?
Oh, you know he mentioned governor of Kaduna State.
He say carry first.
Yes. Mention the one we carry first.
Governor of Kaduna State na new governor.
No. As long as he's under that same platform, APC. Don't start bringing in that.
Over how many days they don't spend now?
Chukudi.
Over 150 days. We get governors wey don dey there. They know this is the second time that they do.
Why we never see governors from our own platform?
They see the fall inside this category.
Why we never see our own governors on this platform?
They score 35%.
They mention
if small pikin score 35%, they go begin the vet. They score 35%.
We get the resources. Why they fall below? Why they fall for that bottom?
Thank you very much. Everybody knows that the former governor Oga Godswill Akpabio, the man don't do work.
Chukudi.
He don't work. He's the level where we say even new things not there to do again. The governor will finish work. The first governor to finish work.
You say?
The first governor to finish work.
New things not there to do again.
Build road. People come begin to beg and say everywhere for Akwa na express.
Nigerians,
everywhere for Akwa na express.
See, on this program, for those of you who don't know, let me now expose, let me now let the cat out of the bag. And they talk and here say, Nkubi is a man of the people. I speak for the people. But Nkubi, Chukudi, going by his height, going by how they run him out, you could not say everything we don't talk so far now lie.
You are attacking my personality.
No.
Which is an argumentum ad misericordium.
Chukudi, I don't want
argumentum ad hominem.
No.
Argumentum ad baculum.
It's not they speak that. No, they speak those kind heavy. And grammar we know the dictionary. No, they speak and hear.
Which one be heavy grammar?
You know they speak and hear.
Which one be heavy grammar?
Agbakulum. You want mention? Agbakulum. You want mention? Agbakulum. Where is Agbakulum for dictionary? When they come mention stuff.
When they teach social studies for primary school, social studies for GSS, government, history, you go to study home economics. Everything about you now food. Agbalumo. We are discussing politics. You are calling Agbalumo. You don't even call apple or cherry. Agbalumo.
There's a limit.
Agbalumo.
Listen to me.
Udala.
There is a limit to the kind of talk I will accept from you when you address to me. Just mind yourself.
You wait tell me say at my height I dey lie. You can't tell me. Don't even try. See, I get military background. I don't want you since.
No, they tell me say you get military background. Look, Chukudi, mind yourself.
Mind yourself too.
Mind yourself.
Mind yourself
on
too.
this program, mind yourself.
On this program, mind
respect
yourself.
Let me respect myself.
You go come for television, they talk like say, if they leave me and you now, you get what you go feed do.
Respect yourself. Let me respect myself.
I'm a man of respect. I'm speaking the truth. Nigerians know. Everybody know.
Na me they lie.
Yeah, everybody they clear. You don't even use your mouth to talk.
Na me they lie.
Exactly. It's a rhetorical question. You don't need to answer.
You know how I deal with you.
What do you want to do?
Don't worry.
No, what do you want to do?
The program go end.
What do you want? No.
The program go end.
Who could be about do your worst here?
No, I don't do your worst
here. Do your worst here.
Make the program end.
Do your worst here.
Don't worry. No.
You know.
Make we address you to the address, sir. Make we talk what you want to talk.
Don't force me to address anything.
With your height, feel threatening me.
Don't force me to address anything. Don't force me to address anything. Let me address what I want to address. And the next one I want to address now, very, very important issue. Very, very important issue. Taraba election. Very, very important. Many people don't react. Some people call them a rape of justice.
How?
What it be how? Why you go to ask me say how?
Who they rape?
Why you go to ask me say how?
Why we know as the election take waka? Who they rape?
What it be the ruling? The ruling not even be about the election.
Yes,
the tribunal come and talk say only one way APC they talk about the election. Say you don't even hold water at all. They come talk say the process when bring Oga Darius as the gubernatorial candidate of the PDP.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Chukudi is.
I decide say I won't wear white suit for my wedding day. You come dey complain. Is it your wedding? Oga Olawale from Oshodi. I don't vex. Oga Olawale, good morning, sir.
Oluwole from Oshodi.
Oh, Oga Oluwole, good morning.
Oluwale, good morning.
Good morning.
Abeg, talk to us. We hear you.
You cannot compare APC governors with PDP governors.
Thank you very much, oh. Ride on.
You see PDP people, they don't want to make Nigeria better.
Hey, Chukwudi, hear am.
If you see what they do, this Akwa Ibom governor, when you talk, say, he did the best thing, he do this for road, he do this for that. Where he go treat himself when he get accident? No belong to Friday.
Oga Oluwole, he was
No. Hey, Oga Oluwole, may God bless you.
Make I talk now. See
No,
all
ride
the
on.
things they do for APC government, na bad president, na bad thing that they do. How can you tell me a first-time senator will become a minority leader when the law they can't say before say na second-time person will be part and parcel of the leadership of Senate? How BDB they spoil these things? Now then they spoil this country.
Oga Oluwole.
I'm with you.
Okay, now you want make we even go enter inside that one now because you don't start waiting they make me vex.
React to wetin
excuse me.
React to wetin
Excuse me, Oga Oluwole, I want to fire two of you now. Excuse me, Oga Oluwole, I want to fire two of you now.
Okay.
Now, you they talk about say PDP, that they bend rules, that they do everything. What about the leadership of the APC when come out talk say now this person now they want as Senate president as against the popular will of our distinguished senators? How Oga Saraki take a man as Senate president? Not be through the support of the PDP.
Ogami,
Okay.
I know they read paper for bus stop. I dey buy am.
Okay.
Thank you.
You depend on the paper when you dey buy. You fit dey buy Alaroye.
Ogami, what you call democracy is what APC is doing.
Thank you.
There must be internal democracy.
Thank you.
What you concern this man? What you comot this man for Taraba State just now? Now because they don't do the primary well, now he make am comot. APC they follow due process. APC they do the thing where people want. Saraki na traitor. Very soon by his grace, Saraki go comot.
Oga Oluwole.
Oya talk.
Thank you very much for this call where you don't call, but I know say you still dey watch.
But follow up. We go address this issue where we don't lay down now. But just they follow us. So I go fit give some of our callers more callers to do it to chook mouth on top of this matter.
Very true.
Chukudi.
Make I congratulate Oga Oluwole especially because
as
the first person
caller
when called on top of Wazobia 1 for UHF 57. Oga Oluwole, we appreciate you. We thank you. And as you don't talk and say, you know they read newspaper for bus stop, say they buy them. Continue to they buy them. Go tell your friends them say, make them carry their remote now, tune their television to Wazobia 1 on top UHF 57 so that they go to watch Acid Hot and every other Ogbonge program. We appreciate you and we don't forget your name.
Address waiting Oluwole talk.
Thank you very much.
We had a governor that is, as a matter of fact, in the minority leader, and if the constitution states that now second time leader supposed take up any portfolio, but first time senator will be outgone governor of Akwa Ibom don't become minority leader. Hold on, he also said something.
Make I address your fallacious statement before you begin the mistake. The 1999 constitution as amended no talk anything about who go be minority or majority leader. Excuse me, let me laugh. I want to fire you and Oga Oluwole now.
Don't tell me what.
It is clear. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Don't tell me.
Hold it.
I'm not holding it.
Our constitution,
I'm not holding
the 1999 constitution as amended is very, very clear. He talk and say the senators shall from among themselves. He don't call any political party. The senators shall from among themselves elect a senate president. Why it be say APC can't decide after they go do meeting say now this person they don't want this one. Why the principle of true democracy? Because Oga Oluwole they talk about internal democracy. What do you mean by internal democracy? How do you define internal democracy? You don't allow me to speak English. Bro, Abraham Lincoln come at us say democracy can be defined as government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Yes. Emphasis is on the word, the people. Emphasis is on the word, the people. When I come here and I they tell me say, hey, the backyard runs one they do. He did right. How do you say it's a fallacy?
Chukudi.
No, they call my name if you want to answer any question. It's a fallacy.
I have every right.
You have no right. It's my name. You have no right. It's my name.
To call any name I want to call.
You cannot call my name.
Chukudi.
You cannot.
Chukudi.
You cannot.
Chukudi.
I'm warning you. You cannot call my name.
Don't warn me.
Is it your name? It not be my name.
But after all, you're not the only one. Chukudi. There are a lot of Chukudi outside there. Chukudi. If you're watching us and your name is Chukudi. Chukudi, at least I know looking they call Chukudi. Let us now look at this issue. Let us now address. Okay, before we even look at, we'll get another caller. Oga Samuel. Good morning, Oga Samuel.
I agree, sir.
Good morning.
How work, sir?
Will they try?
Abuse.
Yes.
I do listen to now.
Yes.
Discussion.
I beg, Chukma, make we hear you.
I do your side, I beg. I do your side.
Thank you.
For you. You know what thing they happen, really.
These people don't deceive us for long, seriously. These people, when they call people deceive people, they don't deceive us for a very long time. Now, make Nigerians yearn for change, and today we don't see the change. We're very happy.
But Oga Samuel,
yes, sir.
we go also talk, saying as much as they try take side, we get our own opinion to issues. We go also say, look, if you want to call a particular name, call them based on the name where they give them, rather than just spoil the name anyhow. We don't go grab that one here. You understand?
No vex.
Oga Samuel, I get one question to ask you. You know, say, we did the month of November, and as we did this month of November, you know, say that they owe you 25,000 naira based on the promise what they make before the election. Who they deceive who? No, tell me who they deceive
Samuel,
who?
okay.
I just dropped that one.
I'll feel respond now.
Yes.
Now, you know, say, to build something, they very difficult. But to scatter, it's very easy.
Thank you.
Yes, Nigeria, don't scatter Nigeria for 16 years. They don't PDP don't scatter Nigeria.
Remember, 75% of the people when the APC just give APC these 4 years. 4 years.
I'm not even the talk of listen.
4 years.
Okay, so one they don't feel do for 16
You don't talk about
4 years.
You don't talk
the same people when you talk for 16 years. They are this country as well. And this political party. I mean, the top one where he come from. PDP. Rotimi Amechi where he come from. PDP. Rabi Musa Kwankwaso where he come from. PDP. I can go on and on. This people come out from PDP. Go the APC. How you go come out from PDP? Go APC. Automatically they go this way. You don't become on it is not so. If you make promises and tell Nigerians say you give them 5,000 naira, make sure you fulfill your promise. Simple.
They are working on 4 months in power. Allow them talk about how to empower Nigerians now. You know how much they chop for Shopee? Shopee, you know how much PDP chop for Shopee?
During the electionary campaign, promises.
Thank you very much for the call. Thank you for calling. Continue to watch the program and then tell your friends, tell your family members, tell anybody where you meet, talk, say, maybe they watch Wazobia 1 and you don't go terrestrial, just tune in, go search UHF 57.
We cannot continue to lie to Nigerians. All these promises say, we dey come from here, we will not accept it. We must listen to the truth.
This is the government that is barely 4 months in power.
All of you, I'm ready for you. Oga Kayode, good morning, sir.
Good morning, no.
Good morning, Oga Kayode.
Yes, so Oga me.
Good morning.
When I dey talk, I dey follow am.
Thank you, sir.
So we don't compare PDP and APC.
Okay.
PDP, they just come blind us for Lagos. I don't know for you. In Nigeria entirely, PDP, they come blind us. We don't see the truth. We don't see what they happen. PDP, they just come and pack go. We don't compare PDP and APC. APC, they are ready to work. Make we watch out.
Okay, the right now, they hear you.
APC, they are ready to do work. PDP or no PDP, they are fucking thieves. They are thieves. They don't enslave us for Nigeria finish.
Okay. No, right now, finish up with the year.
What the time we compare this and this? APC, that is the right party so far, but now they are working.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Kayode, for your contribution. We don't hear you. We don't also see the side where you belong. But then, make we still talk and say, look, it's about...
But before we go, come talk about
why your voice come down?
No, before we go talk about what Oga Kayode don't talk, quickly, we go rush, enter this break. When we go this break, come back.
Talk. No, they cut me, say, we go break.
Allow us go break now.
Go break, but no, they cut me, say, we go...
Welcome back to the Ogbonge television station Wazobia 1 on top UHF 57. As we take talk earlier, this now the first program when come live on top of Wazobia 1. And we don't talk say, if you get friend, when they watch us now, tell them, make them tune their television to Wazobia 1 on top of UHF 57. So that all of the action things when they happen inside television for Obodo, Nigeria and the world, then go they see them live. We they speak the language when we say everybody understand. And you get the right to participate and join us because this na your own television station because na with TV. We don't tear the nylon on top of all of the action story wey happen for obodo Nigeria over the weekend, and we dey look all these stories dem one by one.
So Chukwudi, before we go that break, we get issues where we dey look. Okay, the things about leadership it get to do with you focusing on what you want to do for the people. You don't quote Abraham Lincoln and say, okay, say democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Basically, yes, the whole essence of leadership are for the people and not for us. But before we go continue, Oga Tunde, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Oga Tunde.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm today from Nigeria, from Lagos.
Okay, right on. We hear you.
The issue that happened today is that let's try women in this country.
Okay.
You hear me too? So, and again, people that have crossed from PDP to APC. Mine was for APC for us. You hear me too now? So, APC, no, don't say like that to me. Oh.
No, continue. Okay, Tunde, continue. I am with you.
The APC that are doing something that if you do it, they will follow the project. You understand now? So, it's 16 years, PDP, they are control us now.
16, not even 15.
You don't travel. You don't travel now. See the federal road, see everything now. They are spoiling. You can't travel in the night, and you will scared because of the road is bad. And you are telling us that you are federal, do this. Let women in Taraba, you understand now? Let the women they try in the best. Let the women do their own what do you call it? You understand now?
Yeah, so, they hear you.
I'm not talking about PDP or no, whatever it is. APC, they are doing something that we are like in this country. We transform everything for us. Well.
Oga Tunde, thank you very much for your important contribution. Abeg, tell your friends dem make dem begin dey watch Wazobia 1 on top UHF 57. This na as e dey hot, and we dey discuss all the issues wey dey affect Nigeria for our political boxing ring, the way wey the thing truly be. So why I been dey wave my finger when you dey talk?
You don't have any right to wave at anybody.
I dey wave my finger
because you don't get any right to wave at somebody when they drop your office.
He talk say the people wey cross over from PDP enter APC. Now them they do one kind. Excuse me.
That was Tunde's opinion.
I won't fire Oga Tunde with this kind of questions now.
Okay.
Oga Tunde, whether you like him or not, it's very, very clear. Everybody don't prove him. Say a lot of the people when they hold big office for the APC today, then their foundation now from PDP. I go mention names. Rotimi Amechi, answer the question, please.
Why would ask me?
No. Why even Dr. Bukola Saraki, where? Where?
Basically, for me as an individual, governance is not about anybody will cross over. It's about
why you going to talk to one particular political party? He
Oga Alex.
Why?
Oga Alex, good morning and thank you for following up. Good morning, Oga Alex. Good morning.
We can't wake up this morning to say una blackout from our citizens.
That one a technical issue, but we don't arrange everything. And we don't talk and say, we do on top of Wazobia 1 for UHF channel 57. And those of una when we say, una they watch us online, una continue. Every package, now so that the thing go delicious, like hot pepper soup at the end. I beg, make your contribution.
I beg, see, personally, I try to plead on behalf of all, because this program, every money related to us. Now, give us, when I constitute national assembly of public opinion.
Okay.
So I beg, take my time to sustain. However, for this time, the those of us who will not be free, they will acquire gadgets we go enable us free, at least to contribute our ideas to national development. The one thing that happen over the weekend, they are not the governor of say that he's going to expect to see the first woman governor in Nigeria. I mean, it was quite shocking. It shocked me well as I heard the news this morning. Whatever, it's okay. Now, everyone where PDP open, technically, now the same way they fought that governorship seat, which is good for democracy. We are an advocate of women's rights.
Okay.
The good woman and be a full-fledged governor, apart from the power of a senator in Anambra State. That is very, very good. So,
Make una carry with the discussion this morning.
Oga Alex, thank you very much for your
very
important
much.
contribution. Abeg, just help us spread the word to Abuja people. Say, we still dey gidigba and we go continue to dey give una all of the action tori when they happen inside Obodo Nigeria and all the topic where they come and smoke inside Nigerian political boxing ring as e dey hot.
So Chukwudi, basically, what we talk about saying, look, governance is not about the individuals. Now about any way like make it switch over. In as much as sometimes to an extent we don't see our own system as if you know they favor you here, you switch over to the other side.
Exactly.
And you understand? And they come
just like the plenty people when they there now.
The same way
just
you
like
say people from this other side they switch over come
how
side.
many switch?
You don't
No,
do
how
it.
many switch?
I am trying to address
No, how
an
many
issue.
switch?
I am
No,
trying to
how
address
many switch?
I want to address issue
Tell
here.
Nigerians the
I want to
truth.
address issue here.
Stop making
I don't like you breaking into my
statements that
don't
are very,
break
very
into my
vague
talk.
and
I don't want you.
Tell Nigerians
don't
the
break
truth.
into my talk.
How many switch?
When I
You
talk
talk about people
look,
wey switch. How many
it is
switch?
about governance and it's about the people. Be like, you just like say anybody they switch, you just like say with the style say these people now their own pockets then they find. Now wait till you
Meaning say many of the people wey switch na their pocket. This is clear. Make we stop. No, excuse me.
I have
No.
not come out to say so.
You say
I said
wetin?
just be like say people go think say na wetin e be.
You are confusing yourself.
I can't confuse myself.
You are
I know what I'm
confusing
saying.
yourself.
Don't tell me I'm confusing myself on this program.
Since we launched November 10th last year, you don't dey confuse yourself.
Chukudi.
It is one day to our anniversary. You are still confusing yourself.
Chukudi.
No, they turn
Chukudi.
cooling this thing upside down for me. You are confusing Nigerians. How you go tell me say people when they switch now for their pocket and you get plenty when switch and you no wan talk? How?
Chukudi, it don't do you. Look, on this program, it don't do you. Respect yourself. Look, very soon we'll be 1 year old. And I want, in the spirit of that 1 year, make you respect yourself. Make you know as we take address this issue. We don't they get a few
Is it not tomorrow? You they say very soon.
We don't they get
Which one be very
we don't
soon?
they get fresh viewership.
Which one be
We
very
don't they
soon?
get new viewership. I want make we conduct ourselves like gentlemen.
Our people when they for us,
I
we
want
always
to
dey talk and
conduct
say
ourselves like gentlemen.
Nigeria and our country, you know, go
Conduct
spoil.
ourselves like gentlemen.
Make we join our hand together to move this our country forward. We tell una say this na the first program when you go watch on top of Wazobia 1 for UHF 57 as e dey hot. Una see as the smoke dey come out inside studio because the issues wey we dey discuss na issue wey me say dey touch all of us for body as e take concern Obodo Nigeria. Remember say I go talk my own, you go talk your own, but in the end we must join our talk together to move this our country forward until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when dey comot plenty smoke. No go anywhere. Continue to dey watch Wazobia 1 because more programs dey come to totori your body. Nkubi tell them.
Bye. I don't want no ever. Every time they talk, don't they break me for this program? Don't tell me.
So why you dey run now?
Okay, don't
Say
worry.
you get power.
Don't
No,
worry.
come now. Come now.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.